Oh man, I have to cough, which I cannot say for some freaking reason. You know what I mean by the cough, right? Oh, don't worry, I'll save your life. I'm still sick. Whoops. I got you, I think I got you sick. Oh! What a weirdo. She don't care about the cough. Ah, what a sweet boy.